91% traders lose their money in trading in 2025. 2026 will going to be same. Retailers will gonna lose and operators will dominate. Most beginners quit trading in the first 3 months. Even there is a famous formula in trading 90-90-90 that says 90% of traders lose their 90% of money in the first 90 days. So if you don't want to be one of them, welcome to the video. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know in order to survive in the game called trading. So without wasting any time, let's get to the point. As a trader, your first priority is to survive in the game. The more you stay on the piece, the more you can score runs. In order to do that, you have to follow and understand the 5 points that I have covered in the video. So number one is gather knowledge. Most beginners fail trading because they start unprepared. They jump into the market without any proper knowledge. They see big profits on traders and social media jump into the market without any knowledge. You have to gather some basic knowledge about the market. You have to learn some knowledge about the market. Then you should jump into the market. So gather knowledge. Next is adapt new style. Currently, smart money concepts and psychological based trading dominate the market. You can remember that at the start of the video, you can see that the institution named Jane Street made 700 plus crores profit in the markets. While the retailers are lost. So what the hell the institutions know that the retailers don't know? Institutions are basically psychological based traders. They use stop loss techniques, people not see psychological level secrets. While the retailers still believe that candlestick patterns and chart patterns will make them rich. You have to learn everything. You have to learn technical analysis. You have to learn support resistance, candlestick patterns, chart patterns, but you have to apply what the big players, what the top 1% players apply. Also remember that indicators won't move the market. People do. Our third point is risk management. If you are, even though the 5 are all important, but if you ask me what is the most important among 5, I will say risk management. Because no matter how good your analysis is, how good your psychology is, if you don't manage your risk, you will never become a profitable trader. And there is a famous saying in trading that says, it is not what you do. To become a profitable trader, it's not important what you do when you are weak, but what you do when you are losing. So let's look at an example. There is a trader A and there is a trader B. Both of them did 4 trades, but trader A is in a profit of 500 rupees and trader B in a loss of 500 rupees. Why is that? There is a concept in risk management that's called risk to reward ratio. Trader A manages a risk to reward ratio of 1:2. We can see that risk to reward ratio means how much money you risk to make how much money. So trader A risks 500 to make 200, risks 250 to make 500. His risk to reward ratio 1:2. That is considered ideal risk to reward ratio. So trader A manages his risk good, so that's why he is in profit. And trader B doesn't manage risk, that's why he's in loss. So with that example, you can see that trader B is 500 rupees profit, then lost 1000 rupees, then again 1000 rupees profit, then lost 1000 rupees. That's why he don't able to manage risk. That's why he is in loss and he is managing risk. Lost 250 and able to make profits of 500. That's why he is in a profit of 500. You can able to read that the value of risk management in trading. Number 4 is expectations. If you think that trading will gonna make you rich quickly, then you have to change your thoughts, because trading will take time. Trading will never gonna make you trading is not making quick rich cheap. I want you to remember that trading is the hardest way to earn easy money and the easiest way to lose hard money. What most beginners do nowadays is they see some social media influencers video that claims that you have to learn just one strategy, then you will be a millionaire, but in 1 month you will make your money double. The beginners who see their some social media influencers video and jump into the market with that kind of expectation. And when the market punishes them hard and the expectation doesn't match, they just quit trading and call it gap. So trading is a long-term game. If you wanted to build your career in trading, you have to thinking in long term. Trading, you will definitely be a millionaire, but It is not going to happen in one day. It's not in a 1 year, not even 2 years. You have to give at least 4 or 5 years trading to order to be a profitable trader and make money. If the profits you see on the big traders account, they all are suffered that. They all are disciplined trading. They all are gave 3 to 4 years in this trading. That's why they are able to make such a big profits. So get out of this expectation that trading will make you rich. So you have to be a right expectation. Expectations matters most. Expectations matters. So our last but not the least point is none other than discipline. I believe one thing that I listened from a social media content also, that no matter what your profession is, discipline is the bridge between you and your success. And I wanted to give you a real life example. Uh, Neymar Jr. is as much talented as Cristiano Ronaldo, but discipline separates the best from the rest. You can see Ronaldo has 5 penalties and many goals in his life, right? But Neymar doesn't able to achieve the level of greatness that Ronaldo has. But Neymar has the same talent. Neymar has the same talent that Ronaldo has, because as Cristiano Ronaldo said that talent without working hard is nothing. You have to work hard towards it. You have to learn strategy. You have to learn some strategy. You have to practice that. You have to journal that. You have to involve in the game. You have to gather some knowledge about trading, about your field. That's why you become a profitable trader. So discipline is very important. No matter which field you are in, discipline is very important. So these are the 5 points that trading, that is, you wanted to survive in the game trading, you want to start trading in your university. These 5 points will help you so much. You have to follow or understand these 5 points in order to survive the game. Because trading, first of all, to be before becoming a profitable trader, you have to survive in the market. You have to understand the market. Once you understand the market, I want to tell you that I listened this from a very experienced trader that trading, if you master this skill, trading, that's called trading, there will be no other profession that can make you rich than trading. Trading, if you master the skill, it will be a money printing machine for you. So you have to first of all you have to understand it and survive it. That's why these 5 points will gonna help you to build your trading journey in 2026. If you made it to the end, that's mean you are serious about your trading career. What you need to do next is to like, share, and subscribe my channel so that you can never miss any valuable contents about finance, trading, and self-improvement. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned.